If you're working with a very high quality essential oil that is truly pure, you should be able to use the oil in 3 different ways. Smell it, topically apply it, and ingest it. Oh yes, you can ingest truly pure essential oils. So the brand that I use, we can use our oils in those 3 ways. Now, when do you use an oil aromatically or topically or ingest it? Here's my rule of thumb. If I'm working on emotions or mindset or mental focus, I'm going to smell it. So I just smelled peppermint. Wow, that wakes up actually the prefrontal cortex. It wakes it up so that you can focus and learn and remember. Now, if I need something for my physical body, let's say I'm overheated, maybe having a hot flash, outside in the sun, or I'm having digestive issues, you can topically apply, or you can put it in a capsule and ingest it, or you can even put it in water and ingest it. And that is how I use essential oils, 3 different ways for different things that you need help with.